Hi, welcome to the channel today. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick ways to uninstall an app or a program on Windows 10. So yeah, let's get to it. The first quick way to uninstall an app or a program on Windows 10 is by clicking on the Start app and then going into the respective app or program that you like to uninstall. So for instance, if we like to uninstall the VLC Media Player app, you will right click on the app and then there will be the pop-up menu. Within the pop-up menu, you'll find the uninstall item. Click uninstall and follow the quick and easy instructions to completely remove the app or program from your computer. The second quick way to uninstall a program or app from your computer is by clicking on settings and then going on to apps and features. Within apps and features, there's two options or two ways from there to uninstall an app or programs on Windows 10. The first option is to type or look for the particular app or program within the search box. And the second option is by scrolling down the list and finding the particular app or program and uninstall from there. So for instance, if we would like to uninstall the VLC Media App Player, we will type that into the search box and then the app will come up. Once the app comes up, you click on the app and then there will be the uninstall button. Click on uninstall and follow the quick and easy instruction to completely remove the app from your computer. As I mentioned before, the other option is to scroll down the list and find a particular app that you like to uninstall. So here, if we find the VLC Media Player app, you click on it and then there will be the uninstall button. Once you click on uninstall, there's a quick and easy instruction that you can follow to completely remove the app or program from your computer. The third and final way to quickly remove an app or a program on your Windows 10 is by clicking on the Start app and then scrolling down to find Windows System. So this is Windows System. Once you locate Windows System, click on it and locate the control panel. By the way, you can look for control panel by typing in control on the start search bar and control panel will come up. Once you see the control panel up, you click on it and this will bring the control panel. Go to programs and under programs, there's a link called uninstall a program. Click on the link uninstall a program and this will bring up all the programs and apps installed on your computer. So again, if we like to uninstall the VLC Media Player app, for instance, you will right click on the app or program and this will bring the uninstall or change button. You click on the uninstall or change button and follow the quick and easy instructions from there to completely remove the app from your computer. So guys, this is a video to show you 3 quick ways to uninstall an app or a program on Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if the video was helpful and comment below.